Hello student, welcome to NVGI class 10th subject history. Topic effect of the World War in India. We have known the First World War is started in 1914 to 1918. The India under the rule of British government showed the British are wanted to India fight against the Germany, the side of the British and many are Indian leaders also the favor of British government. So the India joined the side of British, but many artifacts are happened in the First World War in India because the World War are started in 1914 and the end of 18. So the war continuously the 4 years are began. So many are effect in India. Firstly, in 1940 to 1980, the price of the good are increased very rapidly. 93% of the price of the good increases. So the poor peoples also are suffer in this time period also, and the British government are increasing the tax of the peasants also. So the heavy burden of the tax to the peasant. And the next is the British government are financially distant, so he was increasing the loan taxes also, loan and the excise duty also increasing in India, and the requirement of the soldiers doing this war. So the British government forced to the villagers to join the British army and fight against the Germany. So the many black peoples also against the British government, and the nature also play a horrific roles in this duration. The drought happened in the part of Bengal, UP, Bihar and the MP. So the crop also failed. This situation are very critical for the Indian peoples also. So when the war are and show the many peoples are things. When the end of First World War, the situation are controlled, but the end of World War in 1918, the situation are very critical. Many are peoples died in this time period. In 20 to 13 million people died also. So this situation are continuously go up in the 1920. So we have seen the effect of the World War is very effective in India. So this situation create a big movement in India after the World War. We have seen the three movement also, like Khilafat movement, Jallianwala Bagh incidents, and the last we have seen the non-cooperation start by the Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.